We at Polo Promotions want you to come down and buy yourself a foam finger for only $5.99, available at all good merchandise stands. Cause who bad? We. Hello.
You're not taking this seriously, are you?
What seriously?
You've got a match tonight and you're too busy with these foam fingers. You're not taking this seriously. Right, here's the thing, right? We've got a match with Stevie Boy tonight. Okay, here's the thing. If Stevie Boy beats you, okay?
I'm listening.
The Bucky Boys will get a shot at the tag team titles against you and Polo. Right?
Alright, okay, and what do I get if I win?
What do you mean?
Well, if they beat us, then they get us title shot. What do I get if I win?
Nothing. So if Stevie beats you, the Buckies get a shot at the tag titles. If you beat Stevie, you get nothing.
Look, are we getting them back? You better be paying for them.
$5.99.
You bad?